Welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Alright, you guys. Today's video is the Krampus Eve palette by Ladybug Glow, and today is Christmas Eve, so which also would make it Krampus Eve, so I figured this would be the perfect day to use this palette. Hopefully it'll be going up sometime next week. I'm sorry, obviously it can't go up today because today is Christmas Eve and all the things, but here's the inside of this palette. It is really, really cute. We're kind of having a Grinch theme. This shade in the middle is like a really cool like rainbow duochrome shade. I don't want to mess it up though because it's so pretty, but I gotta have some shimmer on my Grinch eyes. So we'll use it. I'm excited to use it because I know it's gonna be beautiful, but I just hate like when I mess up pretty shades. So anyway, yeah, totally going with the Grinch green theme. So I am going to, if I can find, my brushes move around, so like I have the brushes that I want to use, I clean them and I put them up front in my cup, and then it's like musical brushes. Next thing you know, they're gone. Okay. So I'm going to start out with this lighter Grinch green right here. I'm just making up names. Grinch green. So we're going to start with that. And you guys, I'm sorry, I know you like when I do the different looks, but it's going to be all the same because we got to have the Grinch theme going. So we're just going to be very green today. Very, very green. Sorry, I'm just having a lot of anxiety because of today and what I'm going to have to deal with. And so, yeah, I'm a little off mood-wise. I apologize. Holidays are hard. Okay, but this is a really, really pretty green shade. I love it. I love green. This is beautiful. Oh, and I do have a an affiliate code with Ladybug Glow. It's just my first name, Ashley, ASHLEY, if you want to pick something up. I think this one is in stock and Krampus Continued is either in stock once again or going to be in stock again soon. I have just been so swamped with work and everything that I don't even know what's going on anymore. Like, my job consumes my life. There have been so many days lately. Like one day, like a week and a half ago, I had to stay an hour and a half late. I don't get paid for it, by the way. And it just seems that that's happening more and more often. So I'm pulling like 11, 12-hour days, and then with traffic, it's like 14 hours, and yeah, things are rough. Things are very, very rough right now. And it's only going to get worse, so send me good vibes, pray for me, whatever, because I need it. Okay. Okay. Love, love the Grinch green. It is absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, now. I just put the brush that I was going to use next right here, and I had to touch this, and it's like not there. How? I wish I knew. I wish I knew. Anyway, now we're going to take this darker green right here, And we're just going to put that all over the lid. And then I think we're going to put that really pretty rainbow duochrome on top of this darker green shade. Because I'm just like, I need all the sparkle to get me through this day. You don't even know. Okay. I'm like so excited to just put the sparkle on top of this because I feel like it's going to look really, really cool. And I'm just like lightly blending this green into the other green. Okay, this looks so cool. Like, I'm loving the green on green. It's really, really pretty. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take some glitter glue. And I wish I was talented enough to figure out how to put this on my eye so it would stay like in that rainbow multichrome, but I know I am not. So we're just gonna kind of just stamp it all over. And I know it's gonna be pretty, like, no matter what. Because, like, the sparkles in that rainbow duochrome are phenomenal. Okay. Now, I've got to get my brush. And let's add some sparkle to this look. Okay. I am absolutely loving this right now. Like, can we just talk about how beautiful that is? Just for like a little second. Let's just appreciate that glitter moment. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. And actually the shades aren't really getting too mixed up together. So that is awesome. Like this shimmer. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I love this so much. Like Ladybug Glow has some of like the best multi and duochrome shades out there. Okay. I absolutely love that. I want to take that darker green shade and just kind of do a little more blending, but oh my gosh. It is just so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. My Grinch heart is happy right now. So happy. I love this. The greens and the glitters and just all of the beautifulness of this look right now. Okay, I need to do my lower lash line. Trying to find my lower lash line brush. Okay, I just want to lightly go in with this like shade right here that kind of looks like it might have like a little hint of bluiness in it. I just want to lightly put that down and then smoke it out with the lighter green shade. So now I'm going to take just that lighter, the first shade, I called it the Grinch green, and we're just going to smoke out the lower lash line with that shade. Okay, that is freaking beautiful right there. Like, perfect combination. All right. Love, love that. Okay, now for that lower inner corner highlight, you know we gotta have it. We're taking that really pretty rainbow shade. And we're just gonna tap that on that inner corner. Give us some more glow. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. All right. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. Excuse that little patch of mascara right there. It's just not wanting to come off. This is just such a fun look. I love it. The Grinchy vibes are just giving me life right now. I love it. It just, the sparkles, the shimmer, the greens, it's just fun. So that's what my Grinch heart needed today. And again, this is the Krampus Eve palette by Ladybug Glow. Like, just seriously, how beautiful is that? And you know I'm more of a shimmer girl, but I'm totally cool with just this rainbow duochrome or multi-chrome shade in the palette. So you guys, that's it. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Merry Krampus Eve, whatever you choose to celebrate or not celebrate, whatever. I hope you have just a wonderful day. My neighbors are revving up their cars. If you can hear that. It gets kind of crazy around our house sometimes. But just remember that you are loved. You are amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.